Excuse me. Why are you so loud? Huh? Yeah, pull mommy's hair. Ah. Yeah. Really? Really? You make so much noise. You're louder than your mother. Oi. 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 Opa. Come on.
Hey, Mr. Boy Boy. Hello. Good morning.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Who's that? Hi. Opa.
Our alarm clock. A beautiful alarm clock. Yeah? You think so? Yeah. Oh my god.
Why are you so
Do you think so? You're an alarm clock of the family? Yeah? He's just sitting right next to us and you're like talking and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
What's mommy doing? Mommy making breakfast. Yeah.
So here's what inside. You have eggs,
Eggs,
tomato,
tomato, cheese.
and a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
How are we doing, boy? Yeah. You were so quiet when mommy's eating and daddy. Yeah. Yeah. You're a nice boy. Do you like being in the swing? Do you like it? Yeah.
Ayden, big stretch. Go on, big stretch. Hello, sir. Hello. Oh, sweet Jesus. Actually, it's not that bad. Excuse me. What? What? Agu. Yeah. Big stretch. Big stretch. Yeah. Oh. Hey, you're coughing. Mr. Happiness, come here. Oh, there we go. We got one clean boy over here. Yeah. We went out for a walk. We are now in the forest next to where we live. Because the boy loves to see trees. So it's good for a walk. Finally the weather is quite decent. And better sunlight. Yeah, it's nice and refreshing to be out for a bit, even though it's quite cold now. I guess summer is done. It's cool here, you can see through the bottom a little bit.
And our boy loves it because you have a nice view.
Yeah.
And the way we dress him, that means it's really cold.
Yeah, hat and everything, double pajamas and socks and stuff.
Daddy's feeding the duck now. Yeah. There's no duck? They're coming now. So we always come here to feed them. So look at them, they're coming towards here. So cute. And normally they have also fish here, like kois and stuff. But I don't see them today. Look at that, one domestic duck. There's the fish. It went down again.
Good wood.
Hmm?
Good wood racing. The sticker on the thing.
Beautiful.
It's really nice.
What the heck? The wheels is so nice.
Everything here is handmade.
Handmade.
From like the 60s or something. We're at the tire shop right now because I need to get new tires for my car. They're quite old, so we're in the waiting area type deal. And getting some coffee or whatever. What are you getting?
I think it's espresso.
Oh no, wait, put the
Oh my god, why did I press it?
And there's my car suspended, and we're getting two new tires. And then that is that. The boys are moving quite quick.
It's already finished.
Well, yeah, because half of it is on the floor.
So yeah, that's it guys. It's just 10 minutes and it's already done. We didn't wait so long.
There you go. You can see it's new tires.
Yeah.
The cream on them and everything. The band, you see, brand new. Wait, are they V's? I didn't check. Which one?
Hello, dear boy. Are
I
you
just opened
awake?
the thing and very hungry right now, and Baby's making some spaghetti, and this little boy is very tired and he keeps jumping around. Let's see what mommy's doing. What is mommy doing?
Making
Hi,
lunch.
mommy. What are you making?
Bolognese. It's
Ooh.
your request.
Yes.
So we have already here a ready-made sauce. I mean with basilicum. But like I'm gonna put like mincemeat on it, pork and beef mix.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm just like waiting for my onion to get sauté, and then I'm gonna put the meat and then the sauce, and then I'm already boiling water for the pasta. So easy lunch today.
Yeah.
Right, bye.
And this little boy is jumping up and down with me because he has no patience right now.
Yeah. Mommy's cooking and Daddy is taking care of Ayden.
Ayden said does a little tummy time. Yeah. Playing with his little book. He has all the kind of different textures, so we can feel and then explore and try. Yeah. Let's see if mommy's done.
Of course I'm done. It took me only 15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
You're very quick.
And it's... Is that enough for you, baby?
Yeah.
And the sauce tastes really
Plenty
good.
of meat. Because Daddy's really hungry. Nice. That's
enough?
good. That's good.
So that's it. Our lunch for today. Bolognese spaghetti.
Yeah. Oh, you gonna eat with Daddy or what?
Taste test.
You wanna try first?
No. Just milk for him. Tastes good? Look at his face. It tastes good, Ayden? Look at him.
Not as good as Bob's, huh?
Oh God, I can't see anything. You're so good.
You like it?
What's funny? Why are you laughing at
Your
mommy?
feet are so cold, huh?
Hmm?
Feet are cold.
You need socks on?
Think so, yeah.